In this lesson, we're going to add some numbers. And if you have a problem like this that says add 33,925 plus 2,437. So you first break it down, okay? Step 1, remember your place value. These are the ones, these are the tens, these are the hundreds, these are the thousands, and these are the 10,000s. So the next step is to add each place value starting with the lowest place value first. So you start here, you add the ones first, and then you move on to the tens. You add the tens, then you move on to the hundreds, and you add the hundreds, and so on. Okay? So first thing to do is to work on the ones. So add the ones. Add 5 plus 7. You need to carry 1 to the tens because 5 plus 7 equals 12. This is the 2, and this is the 1 that you carry to the tens. So now you move on to the tens. Add the tens. Add 1 plus 2 plus 3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equals 6. You don't have to carry anything. Now you can move on to the hundreds. Add the hundreds. Add 9 plus 4. You need to carry 1 to the thousands because 9 plus 4 is 13. So you put a 3 here and you carry the 1 to the thousands. Next thing you do is you add the thousands. Add 1 plus 3 plus 2. That equals to 6. You don't have to carry. Now you can add the 10,000s. Add 3 plus 0. This is 3 plus 0. When it's blank here, that means it's just a 0. 3 plus 0 is just 3. So the sum is 36,362. That's the end of that lesson. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. You could just rewatch it. And I have links in the description to other videos of mine that are like this if you need extra practice. As well, you could download the ebook. The ebook has this exact lesson in it, and you can follow along the video in the ebook as you watch the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.